So you want to start a cash cow channel and make money on YouTube without showing your face or even making the videos yourself. Now, I know a lot of you guys are going to be a little worried about starting off since it's super competitive and YouTube has made it a lot more difficult to monetize, but I have great news for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys 3 niches that are guaranteed to do well, and for multiple reasons. They all have high viewership and they're all evergreen topics. And this is super essential when wanting to make a long-lasting and profitable channel. Now, on top of that, we're also going to talk about how you can find teams to make highly converting videos for as little as $20 that are professional and all within fair use so that you can monetize them without any issues. So I hope you guys are ready because this is literally going to be the only video you guys need to start your channel and start making money today. So let's get right into it. All right, so before we start, I want to give a quick shout out to Nathan. He has been a student of mine for over 2 months already, and he got monetized within his first month and has already made $720 from AdSense to date. Now, this is honestly incredible and just really goes to show the power of YouTube and taking it on with the right knowledge and guidance. So if you guys want to see results like Nathan's and join the heaps of students that have already taken on my mentorship, I'm actually holding a flash sale right now for the entire week, and I'm offering entire access to my course, exclusive content creation team, my private Facebook and Discord groups. So I definitely recommend check it out before the sale's up. But now let's get right into this and how you can start the channel for yourself. And in my opinion, the 3 best niches that you can choose right now for your cash cow. Starting off with the first niche, we have cryptocurrency, and this niche is so powerful because the viewership of this topic has skyrocketed due to COVID and just people wanting to find out more ways to make money online. So as you can see here on Google Trends, crypto is crushing it, and this reflects on YouTube as well. So I know a lot of you may think that it's not possible for you to do since you don't have any knowledge on it, but I'm telling you now that it's extremely doable. If you put together the right team to make your videos, your only real responsibility would be to find a viral or trending topic around crypto, send it to the scriptwriter who would then do all the research and give you back a high converting script to then send to the rest of the team and finish off your video. Now, you may wonder, where do you get this information from? But I'm promising you it's not too difficult. There are tons of big names out there that are providing real and quality information that you can take, summarize, and spit out an enjoyable and valuable video without needing for you to show your face or even really make the video yourself. Let me share an example channel that's doing this right now and how you can set it up for yourself. So here we have Crypto Gains, and at the time that I discovered him about 3 days ago, he had only 27,000 subscribers. Now he's at over 33,000, but is almost averaging 800,000 views a month. Now I know the average CPM for this is about $12 to $25 and sometimes more. So if we divide 800,000 by 1,000 views, that would give us 800. If we multiply that by $15 to $20, then we can estimate that this channel is earning between $12,000 to $16,000 a month, which is insane. And doesn't even stop there. This doesn't even account for all of the affiliate sites and the links that he drops in his videos, which make him a lot more. And to make this even better, if we sort by oldest, we can see this channel only started posting 6 months ago. Imagine starting YouTube and in 6 short months making a 6-figure income. Well, clearly it's possible. And also I have students that have started in the crypto niche and are already earning in their first month and have never used crypto before, but they're able to deliver valuable and highly converted cash cow videos with the help of trained and affordable teams. Moving on to the second niche, we have the evolution of videos. This niche is completely slept on, but is so powerful for so many reasons, and I'll explain what those are now. So the evolution niche is essentially compiling anything that you can think of and showcasing how it evolved over the years. We have evolution of games, cars, computers, companies, politics, music, products of any kind, and so on. Now, the best part is that there's literally an unlimited amount of topics, and I say that because even if you exhausted all the topics that I just mentioned, you can then go even deeper into all of them and get really specific, which opens up so many video ideas. So for example, if we talked about video games and we could pick Call of Duty, since it's a really popular game, we could then create more videos about the evolution of the game, and we can go then even further and talk about the evolution of the guns and the explosives and the maps or the graphics or even the animations within the games and how they've improved. So what I'm getting at is that this niche goes on for literally ever. So it's never going to be too saturated. And even if we take a look now at the Google Trends chart, we can see that this topic has been consistently getting high viewership all year and it doesn't seem to be dropping anytime soon. So let me show you an example of a video and how you can position yourself in this niche today. So this video is called Evolution of Quickscoping in Call of Duty. So what he did was compile clips from YouTube and basically turned it into something really entertaining for all the Call of Duty fans. Now, quick thing to note that he didn't do a voiceover or give credit to any of the videos that he used, and he probably should have done that. So what I suggest is to do just that. So scout YouTube and find all the videos that you need for your compilation. Put the links in the description to help you when it comes to monetizing your videos. And then the next thing I would do is to add a short voiceover to give more value and really ensure that you won't run into any issues when you're attempting to monetize your video. So I'm gonna give you guys a site that's gonna make this entire thing so much easier for you guys, and you can definitely thank me later for this. The site is called YouTube Channel Crawler, and it basically does what it says. So you input any kind of videos that you're looking for, refined by year, category, topic, and anything else, and it'll spit back videos that it finds on YouTube. And this is so helpful because it's really gonna help you find all the clips you need to make any kind of evolution video that you plan on making. Now, quickly before we move on to the next niche, let's see how much he made from this video, assuming that it's monetized. So this video got over 800,000 views. So if we divide by 1,000, we get 800. And if we multiply that by the average of $5 in the gaming niche, we get about $4,000 just off of one video, and it was only posted 4 months ago. Keep in mind, this is not a huge channel, so it's not like a 27,000 subscriber channel is averaging 800K views a video. Also, if you guys are unsure about how to create videos and ensure that you're within fair use, then I want you guys to check out my 4-part series that I posted, which literally walks you through the exact steps on how to create a channel for success and ensure all your videos are within fair use and monetizable. Moving on to the next and last niche, we have the Reddit trending stories. And again, another very low-key niche that not too many people know about, but it gets so many views. Let me explain what this is and give you an example channel that's doing this so well. Reddit, for those of you who don't know about it, is just a public forum where people chat and share stories and information. Well, you can use this site to create full-on videos that are both entertaining and get tons of views. So I want to show you this channel who's basically taking stories about Tesla owners who got into accidents or near accidents and documented them. So you can find people who share their experiences and whatever they may be, and you can turn them into cash cow videos that are monetizable. As long as you give credit to those stories and make the video transformative with a voiceover, editing, music, etc., then you're essentially good to go. So there's a lot of people doing this and making a lot of money. So if we just look at the terms Tesla crash, we could see decent traction. And I mean, all these videos alone get massive amount of views. So it's just all about taking other people's experiences and turning them into an entertaining cash cow video. So this channel, for example, gives 4 million or so views a month. And if we divide that by 1,000, we get 4,000. If we multiply that by an average of $3 to $5, we get again $12,000 to $20,000 a month just by making videos about other people's accidents. All right, I want to say, if you're wanting to get into this business for yourself and start up a channel that can be completely automated all the way from the script, voiceover, editing, and thumbnail, then I say go for it. Don't be discouraged with what anyone else is saying about YouTube, it being too saturated or too late. There's tons of new channels that are blowing up, making between $600 to $3,000 within the first few months. It's extremely possible. I believe you just need the right guidance and the right mindset. I don't want you to come in expecting this to be too easy off the bat, because you're not going to be pleased. But if you look at this business the way that it really is, and you're going to be setting yourself up for success, and you can really build significant income and build wealth in a way you never imagined possible. I mean, YouTube, for me, it 100% changed my life, and it can change yours too. So if you want more information and see how I can help you get you started and set up teams who can make all these videos for you for as low as $20, I have a link in the description where you guys can check out. And if you have any other questions, you can personally reach out to me. So you guys are all legends and MVPs. I appreciate you guys watching this video. Thanks, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.